Welcome back. Today we are in the last step of our BDD Cucumber tutorial series. BDD Cucumber in 7 steps. Alright, let's go to our PowerPoint presentation. So far we have learned a lot of things about BDD Cucumber framework from scratch. We already 5 to 6 times we have discussed what is BDD Cucumber and why BDD Cucumber is used, okay, and what is the feature file, how we can create feature files. Then we also discussed about step definition, okay, and we also learned about the Cucumber glue code, how we can glue together both the feature file and the step definition, how we can map it, okay. And we also learn what is JUnit TestRunner, why we do need it, okay. And we also created JUnit TestRunner to run and execute our BDD Cucumber framework that we have created together from scratch. And we also learn how many steps are there to create BDD Cucumber framework. I told you we can create it in just 3 steps, but for many people it is little bit complicated, complex, difficult to understand. So I break them into 7 steps and I'm showing you the whole 7 steps how we can do it from beginning to end. And we already done with step 1. We created a mapping project together, and in the step 2 we prepare test environment, um, copying and pasting the necessary dependencies from MBN repository to pom.xml file, okay. And we already seen how does it look like, the pom.xml file, okay. And we already know how many dependencies do we need to prepare the test environment, and we have done all these things together step by step. And now almost we have learned by heart, mind and heart, um, what are the dependencies do we require to prepare our test environment, okay. And these are the necessary dependencies that we have already picked up from mvn-repository.com. Necessary dependencies, I'm showing you again. Here you can see the name of the dependencies, and here are is the version, okay. And these are some more necessary dependencies. Let me show you. Just you can pause the video, okay. Take the name, go to the Mabin repository, mvn-repository.com, and just grab the dependencies, copy, then take it to the pom.xml, okay. And finally what we have to do, we have to save this necessary dependencies, and it will automatically build it, okay. uh, Download it and install it and import it to the project. We have seen it. And in step 3 we work together to create a feature folder, okay. Inside the folder we have created a feature file with .feature extension, and write the feature file of the application that to be tested, and write the scenario in Gherkin syntax that is given when then, And I told you in the previous video tutorials, in given part we put the precondition, and when part we put the actions the user real users do to use the web application, and then part is the outcome. Okay, then what happened? Okay, feature file in screenshot I have shown you several times. It looks like this one, the feature that we have to be tested, and we can also write description in brief, but some companies practice it writing some description, some notes, some company doesn't, some company don't care about it, but the best practice is to write the description. And in the scenario, actually scenario is nothing but the test case. Okay, and a given when then is the test steps that we have to implement in the tab, and in the step definition file we have to write the code, the steps into test script using uh, Java Java programming language. Okay, and then this is the example, simple example, the feature scenario and the test steps given when and when. Okay, and in the step 4 we also work together with the step definitions. We create the step definitions package, and inside the package we created step definitions class, and then we come back and run the feature file, not field file, to map and bind the scenario all together, to map it, to link it, and glue it with Cucumber glue code. Okay, and finally we develop program, write the test scripts to implement the test steps. Okay, now step definitions in screenshots so look like this, we have seen several times. Okay, and finally what we did, we created JUnit TestRunner. Why do we need JUnit TestRunner? Because in step definition file or feature file we don't have main method, and we know in Java if you want to run any task or execute any task, we must require, we must need a main method. So it will work like a main method. Okay, so we will create JUnit TestRunner. So TestRunner that will run the test. Okay, create a package myTestRunner, and inside the package myTestRunner we create JUnit TestRunner class name TestRunner, then import necessary classes, and finally what we do in the step 6, we execute the test in many ways I have shown you. Okay, now the last step, the final step and the most important step is preparing beautiful report. Okay, preparing beautiful report. You did a great job. You did create a robust framework with BDD Cucumber, but if you can't generate a report, a detailed report, beautiful robust report, the whole process, hard work will be meaningless. Why? Because the executives, okay, the project lead, they don't want to see your codes, they don't want to see your nice beautiful clean coding. What they want to see at the end is the report. They want beautiful report, they want detailed report that will be talking about your whole hard working. Okay, so it's very important to generate our report what we did in the last week or last 2 weeks. Okay, now what we will prepare, we will prepare HTML readable report. That is very important, every company wants it. Then we will also learn how to prepare JSON file report, and finally we will also prepare JUnit XML report. So these three kinds of reports are very crucial, very important. Okay, so how to generate a great report? So this is our TestRunner class. Okay, and what do we have to do? We have to use @run with cucumber.class, then @cucumber options, and inside the cucumber options we have some pair keys, that is features. In the features is equal to, we have to specify, we have to tell where is our feature file. Our feature file is inside the feature folder, so we have to write our feature name of the feature folder. Okay, not the name of the feature file. Then we have to specify the glue code we use, that is step definitions. Again, we have to mention here step definitions, that is the name of the package of step definitions, not the step definition file. Then to create the beautiful report, what we have to use, we have to use format is equal to curly braces. Inside the curly braces we have to write pretty will be within the inverted comma, then comma. We have to first generate HTML readable report, and that is within the inverted comma we have to write, to do it we have to write HTML test output, and this test output is a name of the folder where this cucumber is sending the HTML readable report. Then we have to also generate JSON report. So to do it we have to write inside the again inverted comma, we have to write JSON then name of the file where cucumber will send the report, that is JSON _output. Okay, cucumber report. Then slash, you have to put cucumber.json extension. Okay, then again comma, we cannot forget to put commas after each and every pair of keys. Okay, then JUnit, to generate JUnit report we have to write JUnit within the inverted comma again JUnit _XML _output. This will be the name of the again folder where the report will be sent. Then slash cucumber.xml is the extension for XML report. Okay, these are the. Now what we can do, we can just copy it. Okay, actually we cannot copy it because it is a screenshot. Okay, it's screenshot. Now what we can do, just go to our project. Okay, and just put comma. We have come to know what is features and this features, blue and step definitions, monochrome and true, dry run, false or true, whatever. We learned it in the last step, in step 6. Now we are going to generate a report. If we go to Package Explorer, we will see there is no report at all. Okay, so what we are going to do, to generate report, we are writing format is equal to okay, curly braces. Within the curly braces we will write pretty, okay, pretty, then comma, then HTML readable report, colon, then we have to write the name of the folder where we are going to send um, the exact report, in which file we are going to send the report. So we can write just test, okay, dash report, okay. It can be actually anything, or you can say test output, then we will write also we can keep it here. Then we are going to generate another report, that is JSON, okay. So JSON colon, then write JSON underscore output, then slash cucumber, okay, dot JSON, okay. Then we can again, comma will be outside, again create another report, that is JUnit colon JUnit or XML output, okay, slash cucumber. All right, cucumber, and extension will be XML, okay. So this is exactly what we need to write to generate cucumber report, okay. Now uh, save it, then check it, there is no such folder name here in the project explorer, okay, package explorer. But when we will run it, just right button click, then run as JUnit test, okay. It will invoke the browser, it's invoking the browser, navigating to the web application, okay, passing the parameter, and clicked on submit button, and we can see the test has passed, okay. And this is green mark, means the test becomes successful, it has become passed, okay. And now if you go to package explorer, click here, still we don't see any folder. But when you right button click on the project, then click on refresh, you will find JSON underscore output, JUnit underscore XML dot output, and you will find also another report, that is test output. Now just what you can do, just you can go and check with open with browser, or you can open with system editor or whatever. I open with browser, and you see this is our test report. Feature, login feature of orangehrm application, scenario given when and then, okay. This green mark means, green color means the test has passed, okay. And if you go to JSON file and click here, right button click, open, you can open with system editor or text editor, JSON file is look like this, and the status is passed. Okay, status is passed. All right, and if you go to JUnit XML file, and we know how does the XML file look like. We have seen in our pom.xml exactly same as this one. If you just right button click, then open with text editor or whatever, you will see this. Okay, and if you go right, you see all are passed. Okay, so that's the beauty. That's the beauty of BDD Cucumber. So powerful software tools to test user acceptance testing. Okay, now what we can do actually a lot of things. That's the core concept of BDD Cucumber. Still we have to go a long way if you want to learn more about BDD Cucumber, the power of BDD Cucumber. Still we have to learn the advanced level of some concepts in the advanced level of BDD Cucumber. Even we can use data-driven framework using this very BDD Cucumber. Right now, I think you have learned a lot in the series of video tutorials series that I have did during last 7 days, step by step, from step 1 to step 7. Definitely many of you, I think, already learned it. Okay, so thank you very much, and definitely
in tech news, SDET training on 75% discount all over the world. While masters and PhD holders struggling to find jobs as software development engineer in test, SDET makes $85,000 to $200,000 per year. Is it tough? No, it's easy. No programming knowledge necessary. If you can read, write, and communicate in English, you are good to join. SDET is the most sought IT professionals in the IT industry. Even an SDET can work remotely from anywhere in the world as a freelancer and can make $25 to $75 per hour. You will learn software testing, agile framework, Selenium with Java or Python, TestNG, BDD Cucumber, page object modeling, PyTest, BDD Behave, robot framework, Postman, rest assured, Git, GitHub, Maven, Jenkins, SQL, Jira, and many cutting-edge technology. Anyone can join from anywhere in the world on Skype or WebEx. Interested persons can contact at uTest@gmail.com. PhD holders.
Okay, thank you very much. And if you go to this channel, okay, enable you to make, we have written some ebooks on Selenium with Java, Selenium with Python, and BDD Cucumber, TestNG framework, and robot framework too. If you are interested to buy the ebooks, you can just check the lists. Just go here, and I think you can check from here. Where is number 1? I think this one, BDD Cucumber framework. Hello. Okay, and you can find the list here. think you can find also you can find all 7 steps here. Okay, and I think in the 7
Hello,
steps
welcome
you can
back.
find also okay, you can check it, and we are keeping it very cheap and affordable for BDD Cucumber course from beginning to end. Uh, we will have more than, I think, more than 50 pages of theory and 14 video tutorials, including fundamentals and advanced level of BDD Cucumber Framework. Okay, so what you can do, you can order from here. To place order, you can go and click
This
here.
course is guided by the following
Just
philosophy.
place an order. Click here, place an order, and just email us. If you even don't email, we will come to know who order it from where, and we can send it via email. Okay, so thank you very much. I think it will help you to learn at the same time. If you just click on any video, okay, you are attending a video, you will find, if you are not already with the software testers community, okay, right here, just you can click here and join with the 500,000 software test engineers community, the largest platform in the world for the software testers, and you can learn a lot of things free, and at the same time you can make your living from anywhere in the world, working from anywhere online. Okay, as I told you, this is the biggest software test engineers community in the world. Just you have to put your names and address, okay, and you can start working as early as possible. Okay, so there are huge projects, beautiful projects, and you can earn a decent amount of money every month. You can learn a lot and at the same time earn. So thank you very much for joining this tutorial series. If you like it, okay, if you like our video tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with friends and family if you think it is useful. Thank you.